Very good morning, my dear fourth semester diploma students, that is fourth semester mechanical students, and the subject is theory of machine, that is term. Now today I will solve two problems from the chapter belt, rope and chain drives. First of all, find the power transmitted by a belt running over a pulley of 600 mm diameter at 200 rpm. The coefficient of friction between the belt and the pulley is 0.25 and angle of lap 160 degree, and maximum tension in the belt is 2500 Newton. First, data given. D is equal to diameter of the pulley is equal to 600 mm, that is 600 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.6 meter. This is the data given. Next, N RPM given is equal to 200. Then mu, coefficient of friction between the belt and the pulley is equal to 0.25 and theta is equal to angle of lap. Angle of lap is equal to 160 degree. You know that theta degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Therefore, theta is equal to 160 into pi by 180 radian is equal to 2.793 radian. Then T1 is equal to maximum tension in the belt is equal to 2500 Newton. Then you know that P is equal to T1 minus T2 into V by 1000 kilowatt. You know that V is equal to velocity of a belt is equal to pi dn by 60. Putting all the values, we have pi into d is equal to 0.6. 0.6 into n is equal to 200 divided by 60 is equal to 6.283 meter per second, because the velocity unit of velocity is equal to meter per second. Then T1 is equal to maximum tension is equal to 2500 Newton. We know that P is equal to power transmitted by the belt drive is given by T1 minus T2 into V by 1000. Again, we know that T1 by T2 is equal to e to the power mu theta. Putting all the values, we have 2500, because T1 is equal to 2500 divided by T2 is equal to e to the power mu is equal to 0.25 into theta is equal to 2.793 is equal, or 2500 divided by T2 is equal to e to the power 0.698 is equal to 2.009, because the value of e to the power 0.698 is equal to 2.00. 2500 by T2 is equal to 2.009, or T2 into 2.009 is equal to 2500. Therefore, minimum tension is equal to T2 is equal to 00 divided by 2.009 is equal to 1244 Newton. Then putting all the values we have, P is equal to T1 is equal to 2500 minus T2 1244 into V is equal to 6.284 divided by 1000 is equal to 1256, because 2500 minus 1244 is equal to 1256 into 6.284 divided by 1000 is equal to 7.89 kilowatt. This is the required power transmitted by the belt drive. Now I will solve another problem in the chapter belt, rope and drives. Another problem, a belt is running over a pulley of a diameter 120 cm at 200 rpm. The angle of contact is 165 degree and coefficient of friction between the belt and the pulley is 0.3. If the maximum tension in the belt is 3000 Newton, find the power transmitted by the belt drive. Data given. First, D is equal to diameter of the pulley is equal to 120 centimeter is equal to 120 divided by 100 is equal to 1.2 meter. N, speed of the pulley is equal to 200 rpm. Theta, angle of contact is equal to 165 degree. You know that theta degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Therefore, theta is equal to 165 into pi by 180 is equal to 2.879. Then mu, coefficient of friction is 0.3. Then T1, maximum tensions of the belt drive is equal to 3000 Newton. You know that velocity of belt V is equal to pi dn by 60. Then putting all the values we have, phi into d is equal to 1.2 into n is equal to 200 divided by 60 is equal to 12.56 meter per second, because the unit of velocity is equal to meter per second. Let T2, tensions on the slack side of the belt, that is the minimum temperature. You know that T1 by T2 is equal to e to the power mu theta. The T1 T2 is equal to ratio of belt tension. Then putting all the values we have, 3000 divided by T2 is equal to e to the power mu is equal to 0.3 into theta is equal to 2.879, or 3000 divided by T2 is equal to e to the power 0.863 is equal to 2.371, or T2 into 2.371 is equal to 3000, or T2 is equal to 3000 divided by 2.371 is equal to 1265 Newton. Power transmitted by the belt drive is equal to T1 minus T2 into V divided by 1000. Then putting all the values we have, 3000 minus 1265 into 12.56 divided by 1000 is equal to 3000 minus 1265 into 12.56 divided by 1000 is equal to 1735 into 12.56 divided by 1000 is equal to 21.79 kilowatt. This is the required belt power transmitted by the belt drive. Now kindly refer my note for your reference.